Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to revisit a technique that we did the last time before last, and I think it was one of the techniques that I love the most. It was in fact the dip technique, but the twist with it is that we did it with only latex paint. So that's a common paint that we use to paint our walls inside the house. So I think it's nice because we save a lot of money instead of using the artist acrylic. So I think it's nice. I think it does the result that we expected. I think it does the same result but at a lesser price, that's for sure. I think instead of paying the equivalent of 45 or 50 bucks for the same quantity, we pay 20. So I think it's kind of nice, and that's the way to go about it. The only thing, I'm going to use only 3 colors. Well, we're going to use black, white, and red. I want to do something special. We're going to see how it works. So there's only one way to find out, like always, is to go at it. So let's go and see. But guys, I think the result is great. I think the result is quite what I was expected. In fact, just one thing though. As you saw, I did try to make some kind of design of the face before the dipping. But as always, I did more. I did a double dipping, which it's never good. Double dipping, forget about it. So guys, I think the secret, well, maybe it could have worked if I only did one dipping. I think it would have worked, but listen, for me the result is great. The face, the demon face, which I did on the canvas, I think it's nice because it blends with everything. So I think you have to look at it twice before you realize there's a demon's face in it. So I think it's quite nice. Next time we're going to do still something special. As you saw, I wanted to mention this. Like you saw, it was recycling, because it was a canvas that was used beforehand, but I don't know why, because it wasn't mine, so it was good to recycle. But as you saw, again, the paint, it's also recycling paint. So I think it's nice because I think it's a nice way to go about it, and it's a nice way to create with something that we can recycle. Again, the price of it is it's stupid how little it is. My God. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna come back. Thanks for being here. And if you have any kind of ideas to go about it, or you want me to do some experiment, just leave a message down below. So guys, like always, thanks, and please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys.